morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Friday, June 12th. The euro declined 0.67% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1241 as uncertainty continued regarding Greece's debt woes. Data showed that US advanced retail sales rose 1.2% in May, in line with market expectations. Yesterday, the World Bank downgraded its global economic growth forecast to 2.8% for 2015, following a 3.0% expansion it predicted in January. Additionally, it urged the US Fed to keep interest rate unchanged until 2016, amid increasing expectations that the Fed might raise them as early as September. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1181, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.1106. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.1331, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1406. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by the Eurozone's industrial production data, scheduled in a few hours. Additionally, the US Consumer Sentiment Index would also generate a lot of market attention. The British pound rose 0.08% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5513. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5450, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5379. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.5564, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5607. Moving ahead, investors would monitor Britain's construction output data, scheduled in a few hours. The US dollar strengthened 0.57% against the Japanese yen and closed at 123.52. Earlier today, industrial production in Japan rose 1.2% MOM in April, compared to an increase of 1%. Meanwhile, the nation's tertiary industry index eased 0.2% on a monthly basis in April, reversing market expectations for a 0.4% advance. The pair is expected to find support at 122.88, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 122.30. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 124.10, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 124.74. Going forward, Bank of Japan's monetary policy statement would fetch a lot of market attention, slated to release in the next week. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.21% against the US dollar to close at 0.7751. Yesterday's data showed that in China, Australia's biggest trading partner, industrial production rose more than expected by 6.1% YOY in May. Additionally, the nation's retail sales climbed 10.1% on an annual basis in May, at par with market expectations, suggesting that China's economic slowdown may be over. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7703, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7656. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 0.7788, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7826. Going forward, investors look forward to the release of the Reserve Bank of Australia minutes from its latest monetary policy meeting, scheduled next week. The gold price was traded lower by 0.35% against the US dollar at $1181.20 per ounce, on the back of upbeat US advanced retail sales data, raising speculations of an interest rate hike by the Fed later this year. Separately, gold holdings of the SPDR Gold Trust narrowed to 704.22 tons from its previous close of 705.72 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1175.46, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1168.83. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1188.06, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1194.03. For an insightful analysis on last week's market trends, please feel free to visit our website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day!